name is Jet Garner. I'm a 31-year-old Navy veteran who loves thru hiking. I became interested in the impact of nature on lowering stress, lowering anxiety. I've taken off to not only see how that works with myself, but how that could impact other people as well. I didn't think it was going to be as hard as it was, to be honest. But I think a 2,000-mile walk, like how bad is that going to be? And became very addicting. It's so self-reliant. It's kind of very primal and very counterculture in a way. Planning your food every day, planning where you're going to sleep or camp every single night. Even though I didn't realize that thru hiking would be such an impactful experience, the result of it has been, okay, I think people could benefit from just some time outdoors, whether it's a week, a month, or 5 months. It's very empowering. It's such an intense and incredible feeling, and you're surrounded by all these beautiful things you've never seen before. You crave the mystery of what's around the next bend, what's on top of the next mountain. And doing that just hours and hours on end, day after day, is exactly why this sport's so rare.
Hey guys, I'm here to give you a review on the LETOUR USB rechargeable LED camping light. I know, it's a lot in the title. Anyway, so it is a camping light, technically, but it has many purposes. You could use this as a flashlight. You could also use it as a mosquito repellent. It also uses this bar to give you a really bright highlight, as well as you could change the setting to a warm light. So there's definitely 4 features to this, which is great. It comes with the USB, which is fantastic, so you could charge it up, and it lasts several hours, so you don't have to always keep charging and charging. It's also a power bank. You could use this to charge it, but you could also connect any of your devices to the ports here so that you could charge those devices. So if I need to charge my phone, I put my phone cord in here and it charges my phone. It's lightweight, it's portable, it's compact, it's waterproof. It also has a little clip here that you can hang it. It comes with lanyard, so you could also hang it on your wrist if you're camping, hiking, fishing, or whatever. It also comes with 2 3M adhesives, so you can mount this anywhere. What's also great about this is that you can mount it with the magnets. It has the 2 magnets on the ends here, and you can even just mount it on your refrigerator or in your garage, somewhere obviously with a metal plate that it could magnet itself to it, directly to it. So I'm going to go outside and I'm going to show you exactly all the features so you could actually see how bright or dim, and what I also love is the mosquito repellent, how it looks. So I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I am back. So I'm outside now. It's dark. It's nighttime. I'm in my backyard, but I'm not camping. So here's the light, and I want to show you the features. The first feature is you have your button here, and this is what changes it into the 4 different modes. So I'm going to click the first one, which gives it the flashlight. As you can see, it's the flashlight coming just from the ends of the light stick. Then if I click it again, it gives you this super bright light, which is green. You could use this to inspect anything in small areas. When you're camping, you're walking around, you need light. Then the mosquito repellent. So when I'm sitting in my yard, I keep it out here, and I just keep it here, and it does actually repel the mosquitoes and the bugs. And then the last one is a warm light. So if you don't want it, hurting your eyes, and you just want to brighten up the area that you're sitting in or you're walking in, you use the warm light. It's so affordable. It's worth every penny. It has so many fantastic features. I love it, and I definitely recommend you guys getting this for every possible use there is. Thanks. Hey guys, I'm back again because I wanted just to give you a little bit more of an update on the LETOUR camping light. As I mentioned before, this is a versatile light, not just used for camping, but it can be used for anything. A flashlight, a mosquito repellent. It also has a bright light as well as a warm light. You could use it anywhere. It's portable and rechargeable. But this great feature, you see how it's attached to my refrigerator? Well, it's attached because it has these magnets. As you can see at the end, there are 2 magnets, and it can be attached to anything with the metal surface. I personally keep the light here on my refrigerator because in the event of a blackout or it's dark and I don't want to turn the lights on, I take this, and this is what I use, and it's easy accessible. I also at times put it under my microwave. You see the magnets attached to the bottom of my microwave. If I'm on vacation or I'm just not home, I'll actually turn this on so that it looks like someone's home in the house, as you can see. It also comes with 3M stickers that have magnets on it so that you could actually attach it to under your cabinet or maybe in your garage or anywhere that you would like, because it's definitely worth keeping. This is a great feature to have in your home. I think it's a necessity because, like I said, it's not just for camping. It's used for anything else. Definitely invest in this. It'll be worth every penny. It's actually really affordable, and I guarantee you'll love it and you'll definitely use it.